Hello guys, welcome back to my new YouTube channel, new YouTube video. So before we started our video, make sure that you subscribe my channel so you can get the latest videos on it. Let's get started now. Today our topic is how YouTube search engine algorithm works on YouTube. YouTube explains their discovery and search ranking algorithm into sentences. Videos are ranked based on variety of factors including how well the title, description and video content match the viewer's query. Beyond that, we look at which video have driven the most engagement for a query and make sure it's easy for viewers to find those. But the key ingredient to effective video SEO is high engagement that want to keep viewers on their platform for as long as possible. That's because more videos views, more ads shown, more money in the bank for Alphabet. Most importantly, that they want you to drive engagement on your video and they will reward you with visibility. Most engagement metrics can be measured in YouTube analytics as likes, dislike, comments, CTR, audience retention, average watch time and screen clicks, card clicks, and the list goes on. Bottom line, if you can't engage your audience, your chances of ranking your YouTube videos for meaningful keyword are slim to none. Enough chitter chatter. YouTube keyword research. If you are not targeting keyword with such volume, then you're not going to get such traffic. We had some first-hand experience of this. In March-June, we launched a series of product-related videos for our former marketing with RF series, which is used to educate our users rather than drive such traffic. YouTube suggests paired with Google Trends. YouTube Suggest is similar to Google Suggest. Just type a seed keyword into the search bar and you will see a list of relevant queries that contain your keyword. You can also use an asterisk before or after your target keyword, which will act as a wild card. Since you don't have an official tool to see such volumes, we can throw a view of YouTube suggestion into Google Trends. But Google Trends uses relative popularity to compare keywords, so take these estimates with a grain of salt. Recently, we released our latest version of Keyword Explorer, which includes search volumes and metrics for search engines like Google, YouTube, Bing, Amazon, Baidu, and more. Just enter a keyword for a list of keywords and see country-specific search volumes, clicks, data, global search volumes, and access 5 keywords ID report. Build keyword analysis. Keyword Explorer is most useful with you search for a bulk list of keyword ideas. You can see use either vidIQs or TubeBuddy Chrome extension. Just search a query in YouTube and look to the right sidebar where you will see vidIQ related queries and TubeBuddy most used tag sections. Select our relevant keywords, paste into Keyword Explorer, sports up to 10 keywords. We will then show you all the keywords that have YouTube search volume according to your database. Such volumes are great and all, but the power of Keyword Explorer in the generating new keywords ideas. So guys, for today this is much, and we will come back soon with the next part of this video. So hope you enjoyed this video guys. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Take care. Goodbye.